Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Gmail account on iPhone. Don't worry, follow my all steps, I have solved your problem. Now first open your phone setting, scroll down, find mail, tap on mail app, now tap on accounts, tap on add account, tap on Google, now enter your Gmail account, tap on next, enter your password, tap on next, tap on continue, now tap on save, now tap on Gmail, and finally add your Gmail account on iPhone. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.